Hello and welcome back. Let's see how to fix the issue with Android Studio not showing icons when you want to add icons to the rest folder. So let me open my Android Studio. So I will try adding an icon to the resource folder. So this should really happen if you just update or install a new version of Android Studio. So, so you will see that it's not showing all the icons. Let me try searching for some icons. It's not showing up. So let's see how to fix this issue. So to fix this, you need to go to the SDK location. You can check it from the Android Studio settings. So here you will see here you can find the SDK folder. So let me just locate this folder. So this is the SDK folder. Now you go to under icons. So open this material folder. So this icons metadata text file. You need to delete this file. Then open your Android Studio and check. So that's it. It has been fixed. So like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.